Want to make your Facebook profile feel more personal? By adding your family members? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it. Start by opening the Facebook app on your phone. Once you're in, tap on your profile picture to go to your profile page. This is where all your information is displayed. At the top of your profile, tap on the Edit Profile option. This will open a page where you can manage different sections of your account. Now scroll down slowly until you find the Personal Details section. Inside this section, look for Family and tap on it. A new window will appear, giving you the option to add a family member. Tap on Add Family Member, and then choose the relationship, like parent, sibling, spouse, or child. After that, you'll need to search for the person by typing their name. As you type, suggestions will appear. Just select the correct profile from the list. Take a moment to double-check everything. Make sure the relationship and person are correct. Then tap Save. Your family member will now appear on your profile. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.